QTC, Steel Building Division. QTC's Steel Division ensures you are firmly supported. By utilizing the in-house, specialty fabrication shop, QTC's team of dedicated, mechanical installers, drill, bolt, and weld, to exacting standards. Our division's focus is steel service and retrofits. This includes tower modifications, platforms, custom FRP, and antenna mounts, general structural and architectural steel, and custom one-off, site-specific solutions. We are your steel specialty fabrication shop. We will always get the job done correctly, safe, and in a timely manner. Fabrication services include foundation upgrades, base plate, anchor rod reinforcements, shaft, leg reinforcement, portholes, bracing, bolt-on upgrades, extensions, elevated welding, and specialty resources. Available install options include tower extensions, ground and roof mounted equipment platforms, structural retrofit packages, generator platforms, snow and sunshade structures, building reinforcement components, ladders, and stairs, custom mounts, and materials packages. General industry services include structural steel, handrails, fencing and gates, trash enclosures, vehicle trailer security upfits, infrastructure projects, commercial buildings, and steel-framed residential buildings. QTC offers a solution to end your contractor search by building big company results with a family contractor experience. Our process allows us to bring you to higher heights with a win-win combination of divisions. Our experienced crews have completed hundreds of intricate rooftop installations, including reinforcement and attachment. QTC's wireless division, commercial construction division, and steel division deliver quality. Enjoy the streamlined process with our professional team at QTC. We are licensed in Nevada, California, Oregon, Arizona, Utah, Idaho, and Washington. We are located at 4175 Cincinnati Avenue, Rocklin, California, and 1220 Industrial Avenue, Escondido, California. At QTC, the importance of communication, time management, and organization is everything. QTC was founded in 2001, family owned and operated ever since. Visit qtcinc.com or call us at 916-315-0500. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more on QTC Inc. and check out more of our videos.